this video, we will go over the ClassVR Standard headset hardware. To begin, look at your ClassVR Standard headset. On the left-hand side, you will see the keypad. On this keypad in the very center is your power button. This is where you can turn on and off the device. Directly above and below that power button, you're going to see a plus and minus sign. These are going to control your volume for videos and audio. Towards the front of the headset, on that same left-hand side keypad, you're going to see a curved arrow. This curved back arrow will exit you out of any experience back into the home screen. To enter an experience, you will select the button behind your power button, which is shown here as a filled-in circle. On the right-hand side of your ClassVR Standard headset, you will see the swipe pad. Videos are going to automatically play in your ClassVR headset. A tap on the swipe pad will pause or play your video. A swipe from the center of the swipe pad forward towards your nose will skip ahead your video 30 seconds. A swipe from the center of the swipe pad towards your ear is going to rewind or skip back 10 seconds. If you swipe up on your swipe pad, that's going to restart your video, and a swipe down skips you to the end of the video. Your swipe pad can also be used for models. If you swipe up, it will zoom in on your model, and if you swipe down, it will minimize your model. If you swipe towards your ear or towards your nose, that's going to rotate your model inside of your headset. Now let's flip to the underside or belly of your ClassVR device. Here you'll notice number 11, which is your micro USB port. This is where you plug in your micro USB charging cable. Directly right of that, you'll see a light. When you plug in your micro USB charging cable, this light, shown here as number 12, will turn blue. When it turns blue, that shows you that not only is your device properly plugged in, but also that some sort of charge was needed. Number 7 on the left-hand side of the belly of your device is a reset button. You can use this with a paper clip to press a button to reset the device in the event that you need to reset it. Number 10 is your USB-A port. This will probably only be used if you have a USB hand controller from ClassVR or as the administrator in charge of the headsets to be able to plug in a mouse and quickly operate your ClassVR device operating system. If you look in the front of your device like you are looking through those goggles, you're going to notice a black rectangle. This black rectangle is your proximity sensor. This is what tells the device whether it is being currently used or not. It's a great way to save battery. If students say that they have put the device up to their face and are not seeing anything, have them double check that the padding along the top side of the headset is not in the way of that proximity sensor. If we look at the very top of your device, towards the front, you're going to see a little wheel. This wheel is excellent for helping students to adjust the focus in the event that they needed to remove their glasses to utilize the headsets. There's also a forward-facing camera on the very front orange piece of your headset. When you put your standard ClassVR headset up to your face, you will be greeted with the home screen. This home screen has two very different rows. The top row is the row where all of your ClassVR experiences are going to live. The second row has all of your additional tools, such as your QR scanner, your ARC app, and your device settings. Towards the very bottom of the screen, you'll see your Wi-Fi and your battery. This is great if students tell you that their battery is flashing red. You'll know that that headset needs to be charged. One of the most important features here is this white dot labeled as number 8. This is your white dot cursor or reticle. This is what you will focus on an experience or an app on your second row to enter into that experience or application. When you focus your white dot on an experience, remember we can hit our filled in orange circle on the left-hand keypad to select or enter that experience. To leave the experience and return back to our home screen, we can use our curved arrow or back button on the left-hand keypad. You also have the ability to use some head and hand gestures to navigate through your ClassVR headset. To exit an experience and return to your menu screen, not only do you have the curved arrow on the left-hand side of your headset to back you out, but you can also shake your head smoothly from left to right in order to exit and return to the main menu screen. While in the main menu or in an experience, you can pan left and right without turning around by utilizing a head tilt. A simple head tilt of your ear to your shoulder will rotate you in that direction. To enter an experience without using your buttons, there is also the option to use a thumbs up hand gesture. To select that experience, you will focus your white dot cursor or reticle on the experience and then hold up a thumbs up sign at about chest height, roughly 30 centimeters from the front of your headset. This will enter you into that experience.